So in our previous video, we have maintained the absence type for US. Now we will be starting working on the absence quota. Okay. So the first step would be we'll go to the time data recording and administration, and then we will go to managing time account using attendance and absence quota. We will expand this. Now we are setting groupings for time quotas. So under this, we will see. So basically, we have grouped our absence based on the personal sub area grouping. Now we'll be grouping our absence quota based on the employee subgroup and the person sub area. So we will open this group employee subgrouping. Country grouping, we are making the settings as per the US, and we will be grouping them as per our. So we can give any random number on which we want to group our absence quota. Okay, so for hourly rate, I will be giving 1, and for the pay scale or which the employee will be paid monthly, we will be grouping those employees group on the grouping 02. And for the hourly rate employee, rate or labor employee, we will grouping them into 01. Either you can use any grouping number for them. Okay, you can use 5 or 10 or 6 or 7 or 2 or 1. So it's up to you where how you want to group the employee groups and subgroup in which particular ESG grouping. Okay, and the table for this is V underscore 503 underscore E. Okay, for making the employee subgrouping for the time quotas or the absence quota. On the next step, we will be grouping our personal sum areas for time quota. The same 3001. We will be grouping that into 10. Okay, and the table for this is E underscore 001 P underscore I. So this is the first step for configuring our absence quota. Thank you for watching this video.